Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with the unboxing video of Comp Paint Value Pack Kit, where you can spray this paint on your car. Here's the total description or about the model number, and let's unbox the. But before that, I can show you the price $8.99, which includes total taxes, and the product color is Oxford Blue, which is of net weight 1 grams. And here's the box, how it looks like car with value pack kit, and it displays the compact logo over there, and it also indicates how you have to follow the method and what are the tools inside or the sprays inside it with the wet paper sands or sandpapers and others. You can watch demo online as well if you want to know how the product works. And this is about the warranty, how it covers on. And here you can see the compact logo as well. Now let's unbox it fastly so that you can see here that this is a new brand product which I bought it from Compaint. If you want the trusted product, you can just move on to the Compaint website, which is in the below description. And here's the manual which I have received from the box, which it shows you how the instructions you need to follow. And this is about the letterhead you can call upon. And here's the box piece, how it's been fit in the box where you can just use them. And here you can see the accessories or the tools inside, like spray cans and the paint and also the sandpaper. So here comes the comp paint, which dries in minutes. So this is the super spray where you can just spray from around 12 inches far from the car, and there is no price on it. I'll show you later for proof. And here you can see the next one, that is the shine spray that can be used for finishing solvent spray, where you can just first spray this color spray, and then after it dries you can use this spray for finishing, like which gives you soft look on your car. And here you can see here it is for the lap pump, where you can just apply it and then smooth it so that you can after it get dry, so that you can use the sandpaper for smoothing of the cracks or else the scratches that appear. So once you apply that white paint, which I'll show you next, so once you apply that paint, you can just scratch or rub it with this sandpaper so that it gives a smooth look. Later you can apply these spray cans, the one is color and one is finishing. And here's the comp cut, where you can apply it for the oxidation, minor scratches and tar spots, excess spray. So you can apply it wherever the spray gets touched or any other place. So you can just apply it and clear it. And next is, here comes the clear thinner. So if you see any color touches your body, just apply it and remove it. Comfel is for the higher or big scratches, where you can fill it this paste, and then after it gets dried you can rub with EP 400 for the clear and smooth look. So here you can see the price as well. One is 78, second one is 78. And on the sprays, as I told you earlier, there is no price, it is a hidden price, but we can see the price of $8.99 on the box piece, which is of including tax. And that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon. I hope you liked the video.